Welcome to Pulkit Health and Fitness. Today, we're diving into the art of crafting a healthy meal plan that's not only nutritious, but also delicious and easy to follow. Imagine a life where every meal is a step towards wellness, where food is not just sustenance, but a source of vitality. That's what we're here to build. A meal plan that fits seamlessly into your busy schedule, energizes your body, and brings joy to your taste buds. Scene script. Strategy 1. Start with the basics. Fill half your plate with colorful vegetables, a quarter with lean proteins, and the remaining quarter with whole grains. This simple visual guide ensures a balanced intake of essential nutrients. Strategy 2. Plan ahead. Dedicate a few hours each week to prepare meals in advance. This foresight saves time, reduces stress, and helps you avoid the temptation of unhealthy choices. Strategy 3. Listen to your body. Eating should be intuitive. If you're hungry, eat. If you're full, stop. It's about nourishing your body, not following rigid rules. Remember, building a healthy meal plan is a journey of discovery, finding what works for you and adapting as you go. It's about making small, sustainable changes that lead to a lifetime of health and happiness. So, embark on this journey with us. If you found value in today's talk, like this video, subscribe for more content and join our community of health enthusiasts who are transforming their lives, one meal at a time. Here's to your health cheers, to making every bite count.